Virgin Voyages makes big news today by announcing an unlimited cruise pass. That's right, unlimited, as in no restrictions on how many times you can sail with Virgin Voyages for up to a year. This cruise pass doesn't have very many stipulations, it's pretty simple in terms and conditions. As I mentioned, unlimited sailings with Virgin Voyages could be back to back cruises, it could be European, it could be transatlantic, it could be Caribbean, it could be their newest ship going from New York all the way to Alaska. Any of those sailings in between. Of course, there has to be availability, but this is huge news. This pass includes a room for 2 people, so you and one other person, and that one other person could change as many times as you want. You always have to go if you're going to use this offer, but the person you bring along with you could change every single sailing if you so wish, or it could be the same. That's up to you. You get a balcony room, so not an interior room, a balcony room so you can enjoy the fresh air, because hopefully you're going to be on the ship for a very long time. And I love Virgin Voyages balcony rooms more than any other cruise line because of the hammock. If you haven't tried it, you love it. I've yet to hear a single person complain about the hammock. And on their newest ship, some of those rooms have 2. Now, can you use it on that specific room because it is a premium balcony? I guess I should read a little more terms and conditions on that, but I may comment down below a little bit later if it includes that as well. I know you're asking, what do you get if you book this cruise pass? You're going to get your personal concierge service pre and post voyage because you want to get as much cruises as you can. Priority embarkation and disembarkation to, again, get on and off the ship as fast as possible. But let's face it, who wants to get off the ship fast as possible? You're more so worried about the embarkation, getting on that ship. Back-to-backs are allowed. Every cruise you go on includes a $100 bar tab, 2 specialty coffee drinks a day, premium Wi-Fi on each sailing. Not the free Wi-Fi that everyone gets, the premium Wi-Fi, the fast one, the really good Wi-Fi. The one you can actually, stream stuff on, work on, not the free Wi-Fi you can barely post to Facebook, if you're lucky. I love Virgin Voyages, so I sail as much as possible, but I know with the free Wi-Fi, I couldn't post to Facebook because Wi-Fi is so slow. But this is the premium Wi-Fi. And with all the sailing you'll be doing, you may be wondering, how are you going to do your laundry? Don't worry, Virgin Voyages got that covered because laundry is included as well. Any members who have these passes also get exclusive events just for them. But it's simple as that. This deal is available to the end of March 2025. January, February, March, April, in any of those months it could start. But this could sell out fast. So if you want one, you better move quickly. And the price is only $120,000. I say only because I can't afford that. But the cruise all year long on Virgin Voyages, on any of their sailings that they have, man, I think that's probably worth it. If I had the time off and the money, I would. Unfortunately, I don't. The part I found the craziest about all of this is an industry first. Virgin Voyages is accepting cryptocurrency as payment for the sailing. Bitcoin specifically. To me, that's crazy. But they are. So if you have a lot of Bitcoin laying around, go on a cruise. And for those people who cruise all year long or has very flexible jobs who could work remotely on a cruise ship, this is going to be something for you. Are you interested in this pass? Let me know if you are or not and why down below. I'll be back with a lot more cruise content coming up. See y'all next time. Cruise on.